Put this by your front door and your problem will be gone faster than you think. No other method works quite as well as this one. This clever trick is truly irreplaceable. All you need is a regular plastic bottle, preferably a large one, like the kind used for water or soft drinks. Tear off a few strips of aluminum foil and roll them into small balls. The foil is the key ingredient in this trick. Next, fill the bottle with water, about 2/3 full. Drop in the foil balls and tightly close the bottle with a standard cap. That's it. The bottle may look simple, but believe me, it works wonders. It acts like an invisible barrier. Just place it near your front door, along the side of your house, on your porch, or even in the garden. The light reflecting off the water and foil, both during the day and at night, effectively scares away unwanted animals. Stray cats, dogs, and even wild animals like deer will steer clear of your home. This method is perfect if you live in the countryside or near the woods. No chemicals, no special tools, just a simple, effective, and free solution.